రైట్ నౌ కరెంట్లీ అందరికీ ఒక పిచ్చి క్రేజ్ ఉంది. బీసీఏ అంటే డేటా అనలిటిక్స్. అసలు డేటా అనలిటిక్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ మీద there's a crazy demand for business analytics and artificial intelligence, machine learning, these kind of programs in India right now. So the questions to Brian now, that since you are a data analyst, so can you explain the significance of data analytics and its practical applications to our students so that they know it a little bit better if they're choosing a career in that?
Yeah, at a high level, data analytics is just used to help businesses make better decisions. And in school, they kind of split analytics up into 3 different types. So there's descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. So there's descriptive, uses historical data and talks about or can show you what has happened in the past. You can look at trends over time. You can pull data into different like data visualizations like charts and graphs, and just see where parts of your business are struggling, what parts are doing good. Then the other 2 parts, predictive is where you look, where you use more of the artificial intelligence and machine learning type of things. So it's a lot of statistical modeling, where you intake historical data, you kind of add in some parameters of what you think could happen, and then the algorithms can kind of push out some possible outcomes of what, let's say you wanted to boost sales by X amount, the algorithm could tell you based on historical data and the parameter you input, like what your net income could be in the end. So, and then prescriptive uses a lot of the same techniques, but it more makes recommendations. So that's maybe where Alex, like a consultant, would kind of come in and say, hey, you should make this decision based on the algorithms that we have and the data is showing us. This is what you should do, and then it's up to the business to make that decision.
Awesome. That sounds a little complicated. But, well, essentially, nowadays every business works with data.
Yeah.
So this is going to streamline all of that. So it makes it easy for the managers to make a decision, ultimately.
Yep.
At the end of the day. Huh?
Exactly.
Is that... So data analytics, like how you know, just our course, అసలు ఎందుకు పాపులర్ అవుతుంది అనే దానికన్నా కూడా అసలు అది దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఏంది, వాటి గురించి తెలుసుకొని దాంట్లో దిగితే ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ మోర్ సెన్స్. అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ వాట్ Brian is telling, it's more like an analytical job where you work with different data and do models. And you've explained a little bit about descriptive,
predictive, and prescriptive.
Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive.
Yep.
Okay. I'm not going to get into the details of that, but yeah, you know what they are and you can look it up. And if you have more doubts about this, because I know a lot of students are intrigued about this course right now, after this session, we have individual sessions downstairs in one of the rooms and they can come and talk to you. Right. సో మీరు వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని కలవచ్చు పర్సనల్గా. వాళ్ళ డిసిప్లిన్, వాళ్ళు ఏదైతే చదువుకున్నారో, ఏదైతే వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారో, మీకు ఆ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ దాంట్లో ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మాత్రం కిందకి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడడానికి you will have an opportunity personally.